Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Decided. I'm Nick. Thank you guys so much for joining us. So today I'm going to take you guys along with me as I do a gym workout. Usually I do drop sets, supersets, if that makes sense. So I'll show you what that is. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and as always, do the damn work. Alright, let's get into it. So today is my leg and shoulder day. Usually what I like to do is I like to start off with some cardio just to get warm. When it's not leg day, I do heavy cardio. So not heavy, like 20 minutes. But when it is leg day, I don't do a lot of cardio. So I'm going to do like 10 minutes just to warm up. So then I can go and do the weights. All right, let's go. I'm going to use the treadmill. When it's not leg day, I use a stair climber a lot. But today I'm going to use a treadmill.
Been hard times, but it's been alright. Telling me that it's good for life. Trees green like the lake water. Steady coupe, that's a big order. That loop too rich for you. This song, it don't worry, don't gonna burn you. We just had to fit the code, learn to live in the cold. Past lives in the snow, feeling.
So that's pretty much the warm up. 10 minutes, 110 calories, just at 6 miles per hour. So that's easy peasy. So now you can see I'm a little bit warmer, and yeah, so it's time to go and do the weights. I don't know if I said this before, but today is leg and shoulder day. So what I do is I do 4 sets. So a set of 15, a set of 12, 8, and then to failure. So 4 sets, and I do a superset. So I do my leg and do my shoulder. Then I rest 30 to 60 seconds, and then I go again for set 2, right? And I do 3 different variations of that. All right, so come on, let's go.
From 15 in, now I'm finally standing out. I thought it would all come crashing down, till I found out what life's about. Now I'm a fighter, gotta keep on moving on, cause I'm a fighter, my breakthrough won't be long. It don't matter where I stand as long as it's on top. The other rappers probably roll dog, but this gon' rock. And everybody out there wonder how can it go pop. The right money guaranteed that the hits don't flop. The hood money guaranteed that I can get more drops. Added streams to the swagger just to get more props. For real though, know you heard that the best don't stop. From the east, but I'ma do it to the west on lock. One time for my partners that I eat with. Hey, two.
And that's the end of support. Shoulders, arms and glutes. So usually after this, I'll definitely go and do some hamstring work, right? So I'm going to do some hamstring and I'm taking it with me. I usually have problem hamstrings, so I try to keep up on that, make sure the hamstrings are building and I'm stretching and everything is okay. Alright, let's go. Oh, but first I have to clean up the equipment that I used and then I'll go to somewhere else.
About this thing. I'm a beast on the track, so don't doubt me, man. I might play the guitar, but I don't play no games. I'm on the grind for the narrow, fly like a sparrow. All I ever did was aim high.
So I just came here to check on my hamstring machine, but it's due for servicing, so I'm going to have to find another machine to do this hamstring work. So walk with me and let's see what we can find. So I found this machine, hamstring curls. We're going to use this one.
Yours truly. I'm just sticking to the script like a movie, and here's the new me if you knew me. I come so far from 15 in, now I'm finally standing out. I thought it would all come crashing down, till I found out what life's about. Now I'm a fighter, gotta keep on moving on. I'm a fighter, my breakthrough won't be long.
Even on my worst days, I can see the light. Though the storm may come, the sun gonna shine. Everything gonna be alright. Just as long as I don't give up and stand and fight. I was built for this. You can show me no one better. Do they wanna see me down? I may fall and I'll still get up. I'm a fighter, I'm a fighter, I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter.
I come so far from 15 in, now I'm finally standing out. I thought it would all come crashing down, till I found out what life's about. Now I'm a fighter, gotta keep on moving on, cause I'm...
Alright, so set 2 is completed. I didn't want to carry you guys on the entire way because there are a lot of people in the area and people start to feel weird when camera is on, so I had to cut that short and just give you guys just like a snippet. So right here I'm going to be in an area where there's no other machines and there's nobody, because I'm not going to be using any of those things. I'm just going to be using some dumbbells, the same dumbbells, do some lunges and do some more shoulder press with the dumbbells, so you guys will get to see all of that. So I did do the 4 sets like we spoke about, a set of 15 and then 12 and then 8 and then to failure. Failure usually I drop the sets, right? So in the failure I don't just use one weight. So I go from whatever and I keep dropping until I can't go no more. So this is set 3. I hope you're enjoying it. And I hope you enjoy it and do something. Alright? Do the damn work. Alright, come on, let's go to set 3. Stop wasting time and resting and stuff. Today I'm just gonna use these 25 dumbbells. I'm going to do some, I don't remember what these things are called. Lunge thing, you put your foot up. I'll put the name across the screen or something. I can't remember the name right now. And then I'm gonna do some shoulder press. I'm gonna sit here and do some shoulder press. Nothing fancy, just activating these muscles and then we'll go home. You know, because that's the best part of the training for me, when it's over and I get to go home. Because in the training, it's hard as shit. Excuse my language. Alright, so I don't want to move the camera, so I'm coming over to say hello, and we're gonna go for set 2 now. Legs are burning. Set 2, 12. Let's go. I start to the camera. I rotate the camera, and I didn't turn it around. So y'all missed set 2. I know I ain't doing set 2 again, but you guys can catch set 3 and 4. Alright. Yeah, so I'm gonna go for it right now and make sure I press record this time, because set 2 was totally missed. So we have a final set, and the final set is the failure set, right? I never know where I'm going to fail. I try to push it till I start trembling and shaking. Sometimes what I would do is like get lighter weights and use the lighter weights, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to work with the 25s. Wherever I fall short, that's it. I'm just stopping right there. So because when I do my shoulder and leg day, I finish off with abs, right? So I still have that to do. So it's not finished after this set. This is the final set, yes. And then I'll go to the core work. So, all right, let's go. Let's finish up. Let's burn these muscles out. So that's definitely it for legs. There's this one machine that I use every morning, regardless of what I'm working on. It's a ab machine. I can look over there and I can see that someone's actually using it. It sucks. So maybe what I'll do is I'll finish up the plan core exercise, and then I'll use that machine that I use every morning afterwards. So what I try to do on that machine is do like 100 reps, so 20, then 20, then 20, 5 times. But someone's on it now, and they don't seem to be finishing. I don't want to just sit here and rest and wait. So I usually do that and then finish up the core. So I'm going to walk down there, do the core exercises, and then boom, go back to that. Yeah? Alright, so gonna have to set up, set up, wipe down, clean down these things and put them back. Yeah, you don't have to see that. Alright, so we are going to now start the ab section. So I'll set things up over there. What I normally do is upper ab and lower ab. Do those as a combination and do 4 sets, so 15 and 15, then 15 and 15, and 15 and 15, and then I might use a lightweight with that, and then I do some oblique work, 30 or 15 each side pretty much. So that's how I normally work. So come on, let's wait about 10 seconds and then I'll go for the next set. sometimes to make it a little bit less challenging, or you can put your hands on the lower back for the reflection, which is good. That's that. According to my watch, that is what that. So actually I have to cut the workout because I just remember that I am responsible for taking my cousin to school. And I look at the time a while ago and I realize it's already 7:05. So we're cutting it short, so that exercise that I normally do every morning. So because of the shooting, take up more time, you know. So the exercise that I normally do every morning, it ain't gonna happen. I ain't even gonna take a shower here. I'm just gonna have to put on my clothes and shut out. But that's generally an idea of what I do in the morning on my leg and shoulder days. My other days are bicep and tricep, and then there's chest and back. That's how I generally work it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, do the damn work. Alright, bye. Yeah, so I know the video has ended for us too. But this is how I dress, even if it's 10 degrees Celsius. But I think today is like -3. So I'm happy I got up early and went to the gym, and I'm happy you guys joined me on that workout. I really hope you guys really like it, right? That's nice, right? The sunlight there and stuff. I'm gonna head home. Again, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, and let me know what you do on your leg day, your chest day, or whatever day. So maybe I could incorporate that in my training, you know. I'd really like to. I don't mind doing new things and learning new things, so leave a comment in the section below. All right, take care, do the damn work.